Hello guys and assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel The Vibing Dev, and today we're going to talk about the one and only Python. Wait a moment, what exactly is Python? So Python is like a programming language, but what's a programming language? So a programming language is meant to communicate with computers, just like we humans tend to communicate with each other through a medium we tend to call language. But there are too many languages to choose from. So here's a rough list to start off with. Now I could teach you about the whole diversity in the industry, but today's topic is Python, so here we go. Now the question arises, what and why Python? So allow me to explain. So Python is like a high-level interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. Created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991, Python emphasizes code readability and allows developers to write clear and concise programs. So, in simple words, in 1991, this man right here, Guido van Rossum, made Python, which turned this block of code in C++ to this single line in Python, which explains the user-friendliness and clarity of syntax in Python. Not only that, but Python, due to its simplicity, has been the go-to language for writing algorithms as well as AI-powered projects. And when you have a huge collection of libraries which cover every field from web development to mobile development, and pair that with GitHub and the humongous amounts of tutorials, and along with its widespread community which helps everyone, make your time and energy the only limiting factors. So, in a nutshell, Python is the best programming language for beginners, not only due to its simplicity but also due to its widespread community that not only helps in solving various problems of the language but also to produce open source material that empowers the language even further for beginners to hop on. Final note. So, if you're still watching, I would like to thank you for bearing with me, and I know that this video is lacking in various regards, but inshallah we will try to improve on each and every one of them. But till then, stay tuned, and plus I've also left my GitHub account in the description, so if you like to check that out, go ahead, and I'll see you guys in the next video.